Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Everyday Work From Home Mom. I'm Jamie, and I am here today to do a review for 111 Skin. This is a product that I got in a box a while back. And so yeah, I'm going to do a quick review on this product. Used it all up. Well, for the most part, I've used it all up. There's just a little bit left. I'm going to save it for a comparison for the next skincare product that I'm going to be using, and just kind of see if there is a comparison between the two. But for now, I've used up pretty much the whole bottle, and I thought I would go through and do a quick review. This product is available online at 111 Skin for $270. $270. So that is, I guess, my biggest concern about this product is that it's $270 for this bottle. And if you subscribe and save, you get 10% off, which in turn is when you would get it for $243. I got this in a box. It was in the Allure box, and I believe it was a couple months ago. So, yeah, so this would have been the only way I would have tried this product is through that, because I just would not spend that kind of money on a moisturizer. And one of the big reasons why I don't spend that kind of money on moisturizers is because our skin is our biggest defense. It is our biggest organ, and I think that it's pretty important what you put on your skin, but also to remember that most products, even moisturizers, they're not small. The molecules are not small enough, according to many dermatologists. The molecules are not small enough to get into your skin. The skincare products that we should be using is from the inside out, not the outside in. However, we do need moisturizer. Moisturizer is super important, especially for mature skin. So I do try a lot of moisturizers. Okay, so what do I think of this product? Well, first of all, let's go over what this product is. According to the website, they say that you should use a pea size, which is like smaller than this finger, for your whole face. That's not enough. I'm going to tell you right now. I literally I swiped a little bit over a pea size on one side and a little over a pea size on the other side. And then on the top too. So one pea size for your entire face is absolutely not enough. I do live in Arizona. It's very dry out here, so maybe that's the case. But it also says on the website that you should put your serum on first so your face is hydrated, and then put this on. Now, I've used it both ways. I've used it where I put the serum on, and then I went ahead and put on the moisturizer. And I've also used it where I just put the moisturizer on just to see how it does. Today, I used 3 swipes of the moisturizer on my skin, and I used it underneath my makeup with no serum. It did moisturize my skin, so it does what it says it's going to do. Is that worth $270 or $243 a bottle? In my opinion, it is not, especially as you know, on this channel, I do a lot of couponing. I save a lot of money on skincare products, and it's just a lot of money, $270. If for something to be $270 with mature skin, I would want to see wrinkles disappear, everything. Now, it does say the hyaluronic acid does plump your skin. If anything, it causes more redness on my skin than plumping my skin. I don't feel like it really plumps it at all. I haven't seen any reduction in wrinkles around the eyes. Again, mature skin. I'm looking at this from a mature skin perspective. I haven't seen any reduction or the wrinkles around my eyes. I've had this on for probably, let's see, it's going to be 5 hours now, and you can still see the luggage I'm carrying under my eyes. So as far as plumping goes, not so much. It also does have some vitamins in there as well as antioxidants. And they do say that this is definitely a product that you want to use where there's a lot of pollution because of the antioxidants. They say that it's going to help with anti-aging active ingredients while providing a protective barrier to shield your skin from harmful aggressors. Okay, so that's really about the extent, and I can't prove one way or other whether or not that works. So does it moisturize? Yes. Does it protect against is it a protective barrier of the skin from harmful aggressors? I couldn't say one way or the other. I don't live in a highly populated area where I'm exposed to a lot of pollution and that kind of thing. I can say that, does it plump your skin? I don't know if it really does. And I do, as you can see, the redness. And I don't have my lights on right now in my studio. So you're not seeing the brightness of the lights. You're just seeing this is the regular, just a normal yellow light up above, that's actually lighting this video. So, and you could see the redness coming in. And I've had this ever since pregnancy. Prior to that, I didn't really have any issues with my skin. Also, another thing I will note that, and I don't know if this has anything to do with this product, so I cannot say one way or the other, but I have noticed that there is a dark spot on my face that gets progressively darker when I use this product day after day after day. So it could be the serum, it could be the other stuff I'm using. I haven't done a let's take away something to figure out what it is. So at this point in time, I can't say that it has made it darker. I can say that, do I recommend this product? Not at the price point that it's at. I really can't recommend this product at the price point that they're asking for the product. Does it do what it says it's going to do? It does moisturize, so it does do that. As far as plumping, again, I don't really feel it, other than I feel like the redness that seems to be irritant underneath. And that's after about 5 hours of wearing it, maybe 4 hours, because it started getting that red irritant about 4 hours after wearing it. And then as far as the protecting, the antioxidant protection, I really can't answer to that one way or the other. Have you used this product? What do you think of this product? And would you recommend this product? So can I recommend this product? Not at the price point. If it was cheaper, maybe. But at this point in time, the price point is just way too high for my recommendation. Did I use it all? Pretty much. And again, the last bit I'm saving here is I wanted to do like a side facial comparison between this side of my face on 1 and this side of my face for number 7 probably. And I was going to do a moisturizer comparison between this and number 7, because number 7 is an actual, it's an expensive skincare line that you can get at Walgreens and CVS. However, the number 7 I got was very, very inexpensive because I couponed it, but it can be pretty hefty price, regular price. So I'm gonna try the two in comparison and do like a couple day comparison, because that's probably only about a couple days worth of product to do. So I'll do a couple day comparison between the two, and I'll do another video on that. So that's kind of my feel on it. Does it moisturize? Yes. Can I recommend it? Not for that price point. Maybe if the price came down again, I'd reconsider it at that point in time. But again, with the irritation after about 4 hours of the redness underneath my skin, I don't know if my skin actually would do well with this more than what I've used it at this point. So yeah, that's kind of my take on it. Remember, I think really the biggest lesson I'm learning as I'm researching skincare, and as I get older, I'm really doing a lot of research in skincare because, wrinkles start popping up. They started popping up. And so the biggest thing I'm learning is a lot of the products on the market, the molecules, again, are too big to penetrate the skin to get the collagen in there and that kind of thing. But if you go from inside out, eating healthy, that kind of thing, it can really help with your skincare routine. So maybe one of these days I will be able to put together like a month-long trial of trying a certain skincare routine by ingesting, the right foods and the right nutrients. Not, of course, ingesting skincare product, wouldn't do that, but the right foods, the right vitamins, the right minerals, that kind of thing, and see if there is a comparison on how this can improve. I might try that for a month and do a video on that. So if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe, click the bell to get notified when new videos become available. We do all kinds of things. We're a lifestyle channel. And so we've got a lot of stuff happening and a lot of fun stuff going on. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am Everyday Work From Home Mom Jamie, and I'll see you soon. Bye.